Last week in math, we were introduced to a diagram where we worked with the fish poster and we worked with the change to more diagram where we started with an amount and the amount got bigger. It changed to more. We're still going to look at diagrams, but today we're going to be looking at a part and total diagram. And we're going to work with parts and total number stories. So we want to use a parts and total diagram to organize the information from the number story and solve number stories using open number lines. So let's take a look at this domino. Give a little thumb up if you've seen a domino before. I'm betting your thumb has gone up. So here's your question. What is the total number of dots? $17. The total number of dots on this domino is 17. Something that you notice about the domino is that there are dots on each side, right? We're going to use that to kind of introduce our parts and total diagram. So let's get started. Here is our domino. Now we have a unit box, and our unit is dots because that's what we were counting up in the domino. We were counting the dots. So our unit is dots, and that is what is written in the unit box. Next that we're going to look at is the parts and total diagram. And it's nicely set up right here. There are 3 boxes in this parts and total diagram. There is an 8 written in one box, a 9 written in another, and a 17 written in the other. But they each have a special job. 8 is written as a part, 9 is written as a part, 17 is written as the total. Where are we getting the 8 and the 9 from? Well, there are 8 dots on this side of the domino, and there are 9 dots on this side. The diagram, it's a really convenient or easy way to represent or show the domino. These part boxes show the number of dots on each side of the domino. And the total box shows the total number of dots on the domino. These 2 parts make up a whole, and they make up a total. It's like saying 8 plus 9 equals 17. 17 is the total. You have 8 plus 9 equals 17. One part plus another part equals the total. We can organize the information in a parts and total diagram. Here is a new number story, a new parts and total number story. A hot dog costs 45 cents. An orange costs 25 cents. What is the total cost? So we've heard 2 parts, 45 cents, 25 cents. We want to know what is the total cost. So we have 2 parts. We want to find the total. This sounds like a great way and a great time to use the parts and total diagram to organize our information. Here is our parts and total diagram. The diagram is a good way to organize the information from a parts and total number story. The cost of a hot dog is one part of the total cost, and the cost of an orange is the other part. So we have 45 cents and 25 cents in the two part boxes. The total cost, well, that is unknown. So we have a question mark in the total box. And we can have a number model if we'd like right here. 45 plus 25 equals question mark. There's our number model. 45 cents plus 25 cents equals question mark. How do we find the total cost? Add 45 plus 25. And just like in the beginning of this lesson, I said that we would use an open number line to figure that out. So we're going to count up from the larger number by adding the smaller number to it. We're going to start with 45 and we're going to add 25. I want to always start with my bigger number in the problem at the beginning of the open number line. And I'm starting with 45 and I am adding 25 to it. So with 25, I am going to add 2 tens. 45 plus 10 is 55. Plus 10 is 65. All right, I've added up the 2 tens in 25. Now I'm going to add up the 5 ones. Plus 5. 65 plus 5 is 70. So I've gone 10, 25. Yep, I added 45 plus 25, and that equals 70. So 45 plus 25 equals 70. My total equals 70. And I can even model that with coins. So the 45 and the 25 in the part boxes, they represent the two numbers we add in the number models. And the question mark in the total box, that represents what we do not know or need to find out. It is the same as the question mark in the first number model. You are going to use parts and total diagrams in your math journal today.